Alright, E-Crew, welcome back to the channel. I'm just going to work with my Ariel Rider X Class 72 volts. This guy goes about 42 miles per hour. On this quick vlog, I mainly wanted to chat about potential e-bike businesses, is what I've been thinking about. Starting some kind of e-bike business. What do you guys feel like would be successful and not a lot of people offer? I'm thinking of some kind of maybe an e-bike tour business, maybe mobile, so I could just meet up potential customers, so I don't have to have a storefront. That would be like the most detrimental cost, having a storefront of some sort. That's business idea number one. Well, the other business was really starting a campground of some sort as well, but that's a little long ways away. I've always wanted to start my own business. So that's business idea number one, having some kind of a mobile e-bike tour business. Since I pretty much just do a lot of e-bike rides and stuff like that. Safe e-bike rides is what I would say. I rarely go to the big group rides now, but I mean I still go here and there, but it's not something I look forward to much. The second idea is maybe having like a 3D printing business for e-bike accessories. So I really want to have like some kind of frame enclosure, battery frame enclosure for different e-bike frames. I think that would be really successful. Or even like just battery enclosures in general. I don't know what's going on here, but let me just drive a little bit here. Or even just like side panel kits, blur boundaries, or a lot of different companies are customizing those things. Why are they honking? So those side panel kits are really cool. And I'm pretty sure they're profitable, even though the market is kind of slow right now. I feel like they're profitable because, I don't know, I'm sure most of them don't really have a storefront. People will always like customizing their bikes. So that's business idea number two. Having some kind of 3D printing e-bike accessories company, like Luminate, Blur Boundaries, etc. Business idea number three is making customized e-bike batteries. However, there's like a lot of liability involved in it. And it's very specialized. It's a very specialized niche where I don't think a lot of people would be like paying enough money. Like power lithium ion batteries, that's what they do, but they price it so it's so expensive. Like I'm not sure what the profit margin would be for a business like that. And I know it's very time consuming, customizing batteries, soldering and making your own battery, custom fit the size. It's pretty tedious, it could be, because obviously you want to offer something that hardly anyone's offering. I mean, or pretty much just copy other business and then just offer better pricing, maybe offer better prices and stuff like that. There's a guy behind me that's tailgating or not stopping at stop signs. My wife Crystal is saying something like maybe I should get into welding. I think that's also profitable. And once you weld, you could pretty much just make your own bikes, make your own e-bike frames. I think that's really cool too. That's a really cool idea. I now have a lot of time and I just kind of want to figure out what I want to do with it, basically. I've always wanted to start my own business, but I've had different ideas in the years past, but I was always busy with work, and I'm at a point in my life where I want to just follow my dream. Yeah, it's always been having a campground of some sort and offering recreation activities, and not just like a primitive campground idea, but the ones that are like Camp Koa, K-O-A. They offer a lot of amenities like swimming pools, cabins, kind of like almost glamping pretty much. Yo, what are you doing? Jeez. If you're crossing the street, look both ways. But yeah, I think offering affordable e-bike accessories is one of them. Oh my gosh, hurry up, dude. It's a 10-second stop. Offering affordable e-bike accessories would be ideal. Not needing a storefront. Staying at home, 3D printing items and selling it. That might be lucrative, I hope. Even just mocking up battery enclosures and customizing like e-bike frame bags. Like, I think that might be very lucrative too. I think there's something in there that's worth looking into. I just need upholstery experience, or someone that does know how to make stuff up, or even like those just e-bike seats. So e-bike seats, frame bags, all kinds of accessories. I think there might be a small market in there, seeing that everyone's selling it so expensively. I don't know, let me know what you guys think. If you guys were to start an e-bike business of some sort, what would it be? Feel free to share it. I could also just focus more on my YouTube channel, but I never meant YouTube for like a business, a sole business. I do this for fun, and those adventures that I share is just something that I can reflect on when I'm older. I don't know. Yeah, reviewing e-bikes is a lot of work on the B-roll camera and stuff like that. The thing with YouTube also is I kind of like just being behind the camera instead of being in front of the camera, Props to those YouTubers that are doing all those successful e-bike reviews. And I definitely follow them too for, up and coming e-bikes. But the B-roll, the editing, it's just time consuming, in my opinion. But never say never. I could possibly do more of those type of YouTube videos. I've tried it in the past, and again, I just kind of stayed away from it because I'd rather be writing than reviewing products. So those are basically the few business ideas I have. My mind's just all over the place, really. I have so much other business ideas that's not really e-bike related. Alright, I'm getting hungry, so I'm gonna grab some food. Probably Wendy's. Home style French toast sticks. Yes, please. That's gonna be in today's e-bike vlog. Thank you for tuning in. Like and subscribe for more content. Check out the useful links in the description below for discounts on an Ariel Rider or a Super73 or a DIY bafang kit. Alright folks, see you guys in the next ride. Peace.